What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh D out here. We got something special for you guys today. So we got these Kaws 4s Johnny's been wearing. As you can see, they're kind of dirty. I'm sure we'll get some close-ups, but they're not quite dirty enough. So we got my man Mizzo out here.
How you doing?
Not too bad, man. So what we're gonna do is Mizzo's gonna hop on the Honda here, slap the Kaws on, and see if we can get these more dirty for you guys. Since you guys are always complaining that shoes aren't dirty enough, so we're gonna get these to a good test right now, man. You think you can handle that?
Yeah, of course.
All right, cool, man. So let's get into it. Not bad, dude. I think this one's a little dusty. I think you can do a better job than that. What do you think?
Yeah, I can fix that.
Well, let me help you out real quick. Hold on.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, go ahead. That's how those come out, man.
Is this good for you? I think I trashed it pretty good.
I think these are good. These should be good. What do you guys think? Think these are dirty enough?
Trash.
We'll have to see, man. We'll get these cleaned up. Let you know, man. Let everybody know where they can follow you, man. All social media, all that good stuff.
You can follow me on Instagram at motorhead_Mizzo, and that's about it.
Yeah, we'll put it in that in the description so you guys make sure you guys check him out. Check out his video, his Instagram. As always, man, appreciate it. But not so quick. We also got something for you. Don't want to leave you empty-handed, so we got a backpack full of goodies. We got our laundry kit. We got a bowl for you, some detergent, brushes, repellent, all that good stuff in there, man. So just a little token of our appreciation. So here you go, man. I'm sure you enjoy that. Yeah, no problem, man. Again, appreciate it. Cool. So back into the office, guys. Let's see if we can get these things cleaned up.
How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Reshoevnator. We are back from our boy Mizzo getting these things dirty. We gave them to Johnny Bubbles for 3.5, 4 months to wear, just to see what we could do, and we wanted to do a cleaning video on these. We have a pair of sole shields, or at least one on this shoe, so we'll take that off. This one did not have that. They are dirty. I'm not exactly sure what is gonna happen with this cleaning. I'm crossing my fingers. I've never cleaned a pair of these before. Not sure how the material is gonna hold up, but we will find out. First thing I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna take this shoe outside and I'm gonna try to get some of this loose dirt off. There's no sense in, getting this and spreading it at all inside of the material. So I'm gonna take this right out front. I'm gonna pat it on the wall and try to get some of that loose dirt off so it'll help with this cleaning process. So we'll be back in 5 seconds. Here's this one. We're gonna set this one aside, start working on this one. The first step in this process is going to be insert this shoe tree. This is a size 11, so we'll go second from the end, maybe third. That's a little tight. Take out the laces. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, take this cleaning solution. So first we're gonna do, get rid of all the excess water, and then lightly go over the shoe. So that's a good first initial cleaning. I have to do some some deeper cleaning with maybe this medium bristle brush. I just want to be careful not to damage the material, obviously. I think what I'm going to do right now, though, just because it's getting in my way and I don't want water to get underneath it, is I'm going to take off this sole shield that's seen better days. It's pretty much fallen apart. For those of you that say these things come off, if you apply them right, trust me, they're not that easy to get off. So as you can see, where the sole shield didn't pull off after wearing them for 4 months and riding dirt bikes in them, you can see that they look pretty much brand new, which is very cool. That's what they're designed for. Light occasional use, not for stomping around on a motorcycle or wearing every day trying to get them dirty. It's really to protect your investment and keep the soles of your shoes super clean, which will avoid yellowing and all that. So what we'll do is we'll clean that up with the sole brush though and see what we can do as far as the parts that are dirty. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush. Dip that in there. And on the toe box, there's some, stains there. Go over with this. I usually go one direction with this too. I don't go in a circle or back and forth. So now that we kind of got the uppers, I would say 80% clean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move on to the midsoles, or more the soles now with the all-purpose, and then I'm going to transition into the sole brush to try to get some of this super dark dirt out of there. So let's do it. Okay, so that's good for that one. Super stiff bristle brush. Could I get that brass bristle brush? Thanks, Johnny. All right, so what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna get some of these deeper stains, as you can see there, where the sole shield disappeared from Johnny playing basketball in him or whatever he was doing. And we'll try to get some of that staining out. Additionally, there's some on this midsole that I'll try to get, and then we'll basically let them dry. Let's do it. You can see that where the sole shield was placed and didn't fall off, basically looks brand new. These other spots, they're stained. So that's basically what would happen if you didn't have the sole shield on and you just wore them with the soles hitting the ground, which for most people is not a big deal, but for those of you that are really trying to maximize your investment and possibly sell them again one day, the sole shields are really good because it allows you to wear them and basically sell them for a higher price once you decide to do that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just look them over. I can see some dirt right in here, right in here. The tongue is really kind of, it's a pain to get because you gotta stick your hand in there and pull it up and different angles and stuff. So I'm gonna touch on that one more time, go over the shoe. Any spots that I think may need a little more attention, we're gonna hit those and we're gonna let them dry, and we'll be back in a couple hours to kind of go over the shoe again. I feel like dirt got trapped in this thicker suede on the tongue and in the sides. It keeps popping through, so I'm just paying extra attention to that. All right, YouTube, I think we're done cleaning the uppers We're gonna go ahead and let these dry. It's gonna be hard to tell as they're still kind of wet, but as you can see, they look 100 times better. Once they dry, they're gonna lighten up and probably look even better. Then we'll see what we have to do to bring that material back to soft. We'll need to get a dry brass bristle brush to do so. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean these laces so they can dry as well, and we'll be back in a couple hours to show you the final results. How's it going, YouTube? We are back. We let these dry. They look really good overall. There are a couple spots. There's a little bit of a stain there that I'm gonna try to get out with this suede eraser. But for the most part, they look really, really good. After I use this on a couple little spots, I'm gonna go ahead and dry brush them with our new all-purpose. You can use the old all-purpose as well, just you gotta be much more gentle with it and make sure that it's dry. This is a dry brushing to reset the nap, make the material soft again so it's not so stiff. See how this is a little bit darker right here? I just want to smooth this suede out. So I'm going to take the suede eraser and kind of just gently smooth this out. So that's going to conclude this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to enter the Yeezy giveaway. This is month 2 by the time you see this. What we used to clean these shoes, the 4-ounce 3-brush set. We used obviously the cleaning solution and our bowl, a towel, and a suede eraser. That's it. You can find all of these at reshoevn8er.com. If you didn't know that already, my boy Johnny Bubbles behind the camera doing his thing. Oh, we got snake skin here too. Don't forget we took off the sole shield. We'll show you all that in the after footage. That's gonna be it. Signing out.